Hello and welcome to Mechanical Why. I have a cat, and I have a question. Can my cat do science? Can any non-human creature, for that matter, do science? Now I know my cat doesn't run around in a white lab coat with test tubes, but can anything she does be considered science? And is she even capable of doing science at all? Well, first let's come up with a rudimentary definition of science, and we'll define it broadly so we can give this an honest consideration. Before we can do science, we must first have an idea. This idea is usually based on observations, and once we have an idea, we can go about supporting or disproving it using science. Science generally comprises of three things: testability, rigor, and repeatability. First, the idea must be testable. There must be some sort of experiment that can be undertaken to test whether the idea is accurate or not. Next, there must be an element of rigor. The idea must be considered from multiple perspectives. Different variables have to be considered, and any experiments that are designed to test the idea must be done thoroughly. Finally, anyone must be able to repeat the results of any experiment, and any analysis in regard to the idea must be supported whenever it is tested. So back to the original question. Does my cat apply testability, rigor, and repeatability to any ideas? Well, this is actually quite difficult to determine, but it is conceivable that my cat may be capable of doing all of these three things individually. However, there is another element that is not directly part of science, but I believe is a necessary ability in order to truly undertake any science initiative. That is the ability to think abstractly. While doing science, can I look at something and gain a broader understanding of the universe, being able to consider things that I may or may not be directly observing? For instance, can I look at this object and identify it as a bowl? And can I look at this object and identify it as a plate? But can I also look at different objects that aren't exactly the same as the original and identify them as either bowls or plates? Now, can my cat understand the abstract idea of bowls and plates, even though each individual object that she may look at may not be exactly the same as a given example? Well, as it turns out, experiments published in 2013 have shown that apes and even other mammals may have the ability to think abstractly. They were shown in images of creatures and were able to identify similarities that were similar but not exactly the same as the original creature shown. And they could accurately distinguish different animal groups roughly by species. So perhaps, yes, animals other than humans can do science. The ability to perform all of the basic components may be there. Though I don't believe we've actually ever observed a non-human creature performing science, so this question is still up for debate. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you found this interesting. If you did, please like and share this video, and please subscribe to stay up to date on new content. Also, please visit us at our website, www.mechanical-y.com.